And we're good. We are good. Drop that ticker in the chat. We will go from there. Okay. Let's take a look at what happened yesterday. I think we're kind of getting situated here. Okay. This is the defense stock, guys. This is the defense stock. Okay, so let's get going on YouTube, guys. Here we go. Welcome. So this was the idea, right? Long Russell, long small caps, short NASDAQ. TNA is doing fine. This is the long small caps ETF. Solar names are kind of running. FSLR making a run as well. This is the ETF, TAN. TAN. So solars are playing into the interest rate cut in September. So more solar financing. Home builders, nothing too sensational. Little pullback. Little biotech. Little pullback. Okay. No big deal. IWM, TNA, trying to work on those, getting situated in AAOI. This thing ripped pretty violently. DraftKings is probably going to move into football season. Shook people off earnings and then turned up. Carvana, another one. NEM, KGC, CDE, holding in here for gold names. Gold could bounce here. If it breaks here, probably don't want to buy these gold names. Silver is doing fine. GDXU holding up pretty well. A little bit of weakness. Rebounded and selling off today. The SPY is well selling off a little bit. So Hood, some relative weakness. Palantir just absolutely destroyed that short. It looked shorty-ish here, but it's really down. Joby short is working. Wasn't really clear that that was going to work yesterday. I am short it, so I will be participating in that upside in the inverse direction. However, what I don't know is if I want to cover it right now, right? Because it really could keep going. But I guess how we deal with that is take a little off the table. ASDS is the other space name. So, yeah, just log into this guy for a second. And, yeah. So, that's good, that's good. I think I'm just going to hold that a little bit at this point. So, because this is kind of a break of character off this pivot. Well, it's really hard to say where the lines are because everything wicks down. Maybe off of here. So we'll just watch as that drifts downward, I think. Okay. If you got a comment, drop it in the old chat and we'll bring it up on the screen and answer those. Okay. Carvana kind of holding up. So this is what gold looks like in a broader scale. Microsoft, some weakness. So this is kind of the story of earnings season, guys. This is why we weren't incredibly stoked about buying names off earnings up here. Meta, more continuation to the downside. Roblox sexually. So it bounced, but it's selling off. Bitcoin, little sell-off. Ethereum, kind of holding. XRP, nothing special. Wow, this is just incredible short. There is a short report out from Citron. So this could really drift downward. But Bitcoin miners holding up. APLD, nice gap up here. Little pullback today, but Wolf held after its offering. Tesla, good pickup today. So look, a lot of people are short the Russell. It's price action starting to move up. ARK, kind of selling off. Still holding in there. CCL, still holding in there. And TNA, really holding up. MSTR lagging Bitcoin. It has been front-running Bitcoin. It's not great. But all these stocks are moving off of their data center potential, not their Bitcoin potential. Okay. Bob has earnings in a week and just sort of be patient. Solar continuation. Biotechs are hanging in. Ethereum is crowded. Airlanes look fine. FTAI looks fine. Unity did take out the high, but sort of faltering a little bit here. Okay. That's what we're trying to figure out, guys. What to buy. And it's not all together clear what to buy. Okay. Let's see, guys, what we're doing here. Oh dear. Got a ticker, drop it in the chat, otherwise we will sort of meander through this. Okay. Good morning, guys. SAP, small cap mover. Just kind of ignore that. Load and arc. Talks about those. Oak load not doing well. Open door sold off pretty heavily after this spike today, but I guess the spike was in pre-market, so it doesn't really matter for most people. VKTX. Sorry, I don't know why we're looking at that. What is going on here? Wow. Big breakdown. Okay. VXTX. This thing is definitely moving down. Wider is getting destroyed. Why are we on a 5-day chart here? What the heck happened? This is a 1-day chart. This needs to be very different. Oh dear. Okay. Go. That's what we're trying to do. Okay. Let's get rid of this. Oh. Huh. Yeah, I don't know about this NVIDIA wider name. Certainly doesn't look great to me, but it's just me, I guess. All right, guys. What I don't know is how we're doing here. How are we doing? Okay, guys. Is this it? Definitely.